It's a pretty easy way to make a slip knot without any crochet hook or knitting needle or anything like that. I have the tail of my yarn here. This end of my yarn is attached to my yarn ball. I'm going to take the yarn, hold it in these bottom 3 fingers. I'm going to wrap the tail end of the yarn around my thumb and my pointer finger and cross it in front of the yarn that's still attached to the ball. I'm now going to take the yarn that's still attached to the ball, grab it with these 2 fingers, and just take this little loop on those 2 fingers and dump it over. That's all. And now I can pull, and here's my tail end of my yarn, here's my end that's attached to my ball, and if I pull the end that's attached to the ball, it tightens up the loop. I can slip it on a crochet hook or a knitting needle, and if I don't like it, I can keep pulling the end that's attached to the yarn, and I will untie. Show you that one more time. Quick way to make a slip knot. Grab the yarn, take the tail end of the yarn, should be coming out from the top of your hand, wrap it around the thumb and the pointer finger, cross it over the end of the yarn that's still attached to the yarn ball, take the end of the yarn still attached to the yarn ball, pinch it in your thumb and pointer finger, and pull that through this little loop that you just toss down. Pull it tight, and now the end of the yarn that is still attached to the yarn ball will tighten and loosen your slip knot.